Abusia for Kumasi Asante Kotoko defensive midfielder Justice Nkuku Blay every camp. What in any actually Kumasi? A didn't now about Kumasi. Youngster free Park Academy. Since then, we're joining Kumasi Asante Kotoko camp or Boise. On Kotoko air training. Likely as I speak right now. It is 90% so we joining Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Na why in the buy unim coach Imoru no a Park Academy head coach or the Park qualified by Division 1. Na boy no you say Park on the best player in terms of striking. Untimino likely so we joining Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Coach Ogum as up a number of players be so far 25 players in our camp also open number be number being open ni na kamboma and they at nothing super 24 TV so if you unsubscribe here now I hit the red subscribe button no I press notification information there e be we ase e tower e de bro now me da wase bebre otumfo nyankopon enka ho let me zoom straight into the stories. Krobia Asante Kotoko midfielder Justice Nkuku Blay Kumasi we free camp. Now it is a bit of not too exciting news, but we are hoping and praying say Bibia be fine. Obekai Justice Nkuku Blay tamano media man in 2021 April or sustaining a serious injury be you're walking off with a stretcher. Now that injury no it has been reoccurring. In Titembiano, medical experts na advice and they say 9 obehwe ni into preseason no pick minor injury. So the advisor abane say omre Kumasi no ombeye scan so that the injury kakrakana unyaye it shouldn't go and aggravate any serious injury and wa pick but a minor injury and wa pick but the advice is that ombeye scan for protective reason because Kotoko be here to start the season. That is what we've been told. And currently, we need people so we free people so or be Kumasi. Actually, I no pay crowd. I me say and say we drew Kumasi since Friday, and I know boabo. Until we drew Kumasi scan no ebe baso scan the baso results test in BBA also omoye na video. The next line of action should be taken for protective reasoning. That's the all on Justice Blay. So we are hoping say enquire any serious BBR. Now hopefully in 28 days time, you bring Justice Blay to start the season with Krobia Asante Kotoko. Now Park Academy Youngster Peter Aqua ball Park Academy. You say Park qualifying in an age so now coach Imura as say assistant coach of Kotoko no or no Nadaroma. No recommendation back no and as I say on the Kotoko ye training will be possible. According to information, why impress it into impress it there or the pen ABC crataso. Let's say or join a Krobia. That's another information we are say no. Now Coach Ogum understands say all pay 30 players and all the my juma so far season. So far me check what come players you're 25 into Yeguso. Into players in 30 there etumanesi for Coach Ogum. Also up 30 players. About 11 echo and it been so bad into average of 30 players and up so the according to information abetop so. But I was say so we need kasubu man information need just pay. Better was